Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can give access for manage Hostinger account. First you need to log in your Hostinger account, and then on the right corner here you can see user icon. Click on this, and here you can see account sharing. Click this, and here you can see two options. One is request access and another is grant access. So we are gonna grant access, and here click on grant access. Now enter the mail, and here you can select the access level, manage service or manage service and make purchase. So which one you want, you can select it from here and select service that will be allowed to manage, and select this, and you can select all and select specific service for specific domain. So select all, and then select if you want to allow user to set up your pending order. You can do this also, and after finally you can click grant access, then it will be granted. So this is how you can give access for manage Hostinger account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.